Good morning. Welcome to your Monday, March 2nd daily operations weather briefing. Currently across the region, we do have weak high pressure that'll be degrading as we go throughout the day today, as a weak frontal boundary well off to our west will approach the region and will be the focal point for our weather pattern setting up later this afternoon and evening, as we do run the chance that we do see some scattered showers enter the region. We'll also see an increase in our cloudiness as we go throughout the day today. This frontal system will actually look to fall apart as it moves through the Appalachians later this evening and overnight, and then really just seeing some weak upper level shortwaves move through the region, providing us with those chances for some scattered showers. And then we'll head into the day tomorrow, starting off mostly cloudy, and then we'll run another chance for some showers as another low pressure system will begin to move through the region. At 8 a.m. this morning, we had a few at 18,000, broken at 25,000 for the cloud cover. We had southerly winds at about 9 knots with a temperature of 43 degrees and a relative humidity of 76%. As we look at the visible satellite imagery, again, you can see some of that mid and upper level cloudiness streaming across the region, and well off to our west we see the plenty of cloud cover associated with that frontal system that'll be approaching our region later today. Do expect that the clouds will begin to thicken up, especially in the mid and upper levels as we go throughout the later portion of this morning into the afternoon, and our pressure gradient will actually tighten as well, so we're going to expect our winds to approach wind advisory criteria by around noontime today. And we are expecting winds right around 25 knots, gusting 25 to 27 knots. So, fairly likely scenario that we'll be in a wind advisory around noon into the early afternoon hours. If we look at the NAM 3 kilometer for precipitation is concerned, this is 1 p.m. this afternoon. See rain showers still well off to our west, but as we go throughout the time period here, about 4 p.m., you'll start to see some low reflectivity over our area. I think this is mainly going to be associated with the thickening mid-level clouds, as there probably will be precip falling out of that cloud coverage in the mid-levels as we get into the later portions of this afternoon, but at the low levels will still remain fairly dry, so any precipitation will dry up before reaching the surface. Those low levels will moisten up as we go throughout the evening, and by about 7 p.m., it's a little bit overdone. I expect the rain showers really to only begin to move into our area about 9 p.m. this evening and continue through just after midnight tonight, and then leaving us with just some scattered showers just after midnight, and then some low-level cloudiness as we head towards daybreak tomorrow. Heading into the next couple days, though, as we get past Monday, this is going to be Tuesday afternoon. According to the European model, we do have what was the frontal system pushed offshore, and then we'll have another area of low pressure that will begin to move through the northeastern United States and provide us again with another chance for some scattered showers during the later portions of Tuesday afternoon and evening. The European model wants to split us, but it does look like we do have a fairly likely scenario that we'll do see some scattered showers move through our area late Tuesday into early Wednesday morning. And then behind that system, we'll have weak high pressure built in and then have set up for a fairly nice day for us on Wednesday. So as we look at the next 24 hours, we'll have a fairly mild day today. Average highs for this time of year are in the lower 50s. We're expecting a high temperature of around 61 degrees today under mostly cloudy skies. Again, winds are expected to pick up as we go throughout the middle portions, the later portions of this morning, expecting 25 knots closer to noontime. So we do run the risk of being in a wind advisory by then, and then a likely scenario that we'll be in a wind advisory after the noontime hour, as we're expecting max winds at about gusting to 27 knots, sustained winds at about 14 to 19 knots, again under mostly cloudy skies with temperatures around 61 degrees. Clouds will continue to thicken as we go throughout the afternoon in the mid-levels, and then we'll do expect to see some rain showers move into the area after 9 p.m. this evening. Winds also dying off as well, and those rain chances will continue through about 3 a.m. tomorrow morning, and then we'll be left with some low patchy cloudiness as we head into our Tuesday morning. There is a slight chance that we could see ceilings developing around 800 feet with some low clouds in the area, and then those should begin to fall apart as we get into the middle portions of the morning on Tuesday. As we get into the next 2 days after Monday, we'll have Tuesday mostly cloudy with a chance of showers during the late afternoon and evening. We'll get up to a high of around 63 degrees. And then Tuesday night, just a chance for some lingering showers around midnight. Then we'll have decreasing cloudiness becoming mostly clear, mild with a low of 47 degrees. And then for Wednesday, we'll have weak high pressure setting up, and it'll be partly cloudy with a slight chance that we do see a shower late, and that'll be associated with a upper level trough that'll be swinging through the region. Doesn't look very likely right now, but it could trigger off some very light scattered showers across the Delmarva Peninsula. But for the daytime hours, we'll get up to a high of around 60 degrees. Well, that'll conclude the daily operations weather briefing for today. We'll be back with you at 10 a.m. for the extended outlook. Have a great day.